Hi everybody, Skip Hughes with Agent 509 checking in. Happy holidays. I am doing an open house this Sunday, December 9th from 12 to 3 in Entiat. Beautiful area, very quiet, just great views. Property that has all kinds of upside, and there's very little on the market up there. It's priced at $249. So I will be there from 12 to 3. The address is 2829 Sunset Court. There are zero down programs available. It's something that I can assist with. So come see me or call or email me. My number is 206-909-7272 or skip@agent509.com. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend.